Okay, so I'm continuing my series on explaining the morning trades, the morning calls, just to get new people in chat up to speed on the kinds of setups we look at. I hope these help. A lot of you just in chat just now told me they do, so I'm going to keep doing them every day. And I'm starting this gray area here is pre-market, and I'm going to slide this down. If you were there for pre-market today, I typed in CSLR topped at $1.75. For what it's worth, cup and handle might be forming here. Didn't mean to do that, but anyway, let me bring that up one more time so you can see the timestamp. That was at 7:40 Eastern, okay? So if you look at the bottom down here, it'll show you the time. So right there, it was about right here when I said cup and handle forming. The implication there is a long over the handle. So here's your cup, here's your handle, which would have been probably over about $1.70, or you could have even just taken the $1.75 pre-market high break. We also like the fact that it was $1.75, so you know we like half numbers, whole numbers, three-quarter numbers, right? That made it more interesting. But anyway, the entry right about there, and in pre-market went all the way up to like 224. It's almost a 50-cent move on a $1.75 basis. That's pretty nice, right? So there's an argument for showing up in pre-market if you are inclined to or interested in trading those. Let me get pre-market off here now. Talk about a couple other ideas. And I'm only going over what I did today. What I did, what I mentioned also, right? So the other one was NNE. This is the opening 5-minute candle today. I had said I liked it over that high. It's just basically a red to green as we define it, which is back through the open, right? Not a lot of people define red to green as a break of the previous day's close. For me as a day trader, I call it back through the open. And if you can picture it, the daily candle at that point, when this takes out its opening price right here, the daily candle is technically going from a red candle to a green candle. So the idea was over 27.70, and we got a pretty quick move to 30. I actually sold some right at 30. I think it was actually 29.99. I cheated by a penny, but scaled out into that, and then I put my last stop on my last few shares, about $1 in the green. If you were around, you know I did that by accident. I meant to put it right where I bought it, and I was $1 off and put $1 in the green. So anyway, it was a decent trade, and then I mentioned it back through 30, the whole number 30, right? We like whole number inflection points. It's already a strong in-play stock, and you kind of had the pop and the flag and a whole number break, and it went up about $1.30 pretty damn quickly, all right? And that's just related to, let me go to the daily real quick, being a recent high flyer, right? A crazy strong stock, there's the daily, and giving a couple different entries that we look for, the red to green and then the whole number inflection point. And that's it. That's the highlights from this morning. If there's anything else or you have any questions on that, please hit me up.